So guys, this is how the road looks, and ta-da, that's the low beam and that's the high beam. Okay, and I'll show you the level adjuster as well. So this is the furthest right now, and let me bring it closer. That's the closest. Let me show you the high beam. Alright, and now let's take it back. Look at that throw and spread. High beam again. Okay. Now, of course, the fog lamps, they work as cornering lamps, but let me show you the fog lamps right away. These are the fogs. Okay. Just the fogs, and of course the DRLs as well. Okay, and now just the DRLs. The fogs and the DRLs. Just the DRLs and the fogs, and of course the main headlights, the low beam, that's the high beam. I'll keep this video short, okay, because this is not a new vehicle. Ever since this was launched in 2022, okay, I couldn't get my hands on it. This remained elusive. I mean, I drove the rocks, okay, prior to this. This is the first time that I am testing the Scorpio-N, but like they say, better late than never. And of course, you know, in addition to this headlight video, I have made an extreme performance video as well, wherein I have shown the 0 to 100 and 100 to 0 performance, and I came back pleasantly surprised. Also, I have made my trademark highway review, wherein I have shown you the RPM at cruising speeds, the NVH levels at those speeds, and you know, the minimum speed at which you can upshift to the 8th, not the 8th gear, this is a 6-speed gearbox. So the minimum speed at which you can upshift to the top gear, which is the 6th gear, okay, manually of course, and you know, the speeds at which it automatically upshifts to the top gear. And I say speeds, yes, because they vary, you know, the speeds at which this car automatically shifts to the top gear, it varies, okay, in the 3 modes: zip, zap, zoom. Yes, so watch that video and you'll get to know those speeds. See, these things are, you know, those observations that not every reviewer would tell you, okay, and these would come in really handy, okay, in specific scenarios. Like while you're cruising, you should know which mode is the best for cruising, okay, wherein you can get the best fuel efficiency, you know, wherein, you know, it upshifts to the top gear at the least speed. Watch that video. The headlights are impressive, no doubt about it. So guys, that was the long and short of it. I hope you liked the video. Do hit that like button, do subscribe if you haven't already, and do leave a comment as well. And did I ask you to hit that like button? Please do. And I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.